10 amazing woodworking techniques.
This is how I make strong wood joints without nails. First, apply duct tape to the end of the wood and mark it like this. Place this piece of wood on top, then apply the duct tape to the wood above, creating 4 marks that we need to drill. After drilling, we simply attach this small piece of wood as the joint. The results are stunning. This is how I make a mark in the middle of the wood. Just keep the marker in the press and we just turn the wood. It's really simple, isn't it? If this hole is too big, here's how to fix it. We just split this piece of wood, then insert a small piece of wood like this. Once it's done, we just install it in the hole. I hope this helps. Don't sand wood the usual way, as it can be time-consuming. Use this simple trick. Take a door hinge and fold the sandpaper like this. This way, the sanding process becomes more practical and faster. Stop doing this the wrong way. Use this method by making rubber resistance. The result will be better and stronger. Stop doing this the wrong way. Use this easy and simple way. Just make a sandpaper tool like this, and see the results are very neat, right? Stop using the old methods that leave you with messy results. Check out this handyman's trick when cutting wood. With this simple yet precise method, the results are guaranteed to be super neat and professional. Don't make a wood joint like this. First, mark the cutting angle accurately using a measuring tool to ensure a true 45 degrees angle. Then, cut the wood along the line you just made. Make sure the cuts are neat and precise. The result is a 90 degrees corner joint, which looks neat, strong, and definitely durable. Don't cut wood like this. Use this simple and easy trick. Even if you don't have measuring equipment, the results will definitely be neat. Overlap the wood that we will make a 90 degrees angle. Then give it a characteristic. Do it alternately. Cut the wood according to the lines we have made. And the results are very good, aren't they? Don't join wood haphazardly. Use a straight edge to mark the exact angle of the cut. Draw a line on the wood, then cut along the line. The result? A precise, strong, and professional-looking joint.